After drinking that, I don't really feel good. I just feel like I want to vomit. So today I am going to Carrefour to check the Himalayan salt because I'm going to try a seawater flush. Time check, guys, it's already 8 o'clock in the evening, and very specific salt to use when you are doing a water flush, or I don't know how you call that. Let's see, guys, how many kilograms we're going to lose by trying this sea salt flush. Yay! The grocery stores from here, guys, it is like 800 meters from the house, so it's like 10 to 15 minutes by walk, and I'm here walking in the middle of the desert just to find the Himalayan salt. Well, guys, I'm already here, and look, I'm sweating like a horse. Himalayan sea salt. And this what I found here. It's Himalayan sea salt. It's very huge, and it's like $4 or 12 dirhams. But this works. This is organic and pure Himalayan sea salt. It's a pink salt, and it's like it's quite expensive, a little bit expensive compared to the normal salt. Normal salt, it costs only like $2 dirhams or 50 cents of dollars, but this is $4. So let's get this. Finished. We're going home. I'm going to walk again for 15 minutes. And I already bought a Himalayan sea salt. It's a pink color, and I'm so excited to try. I'm already here in the house, guys. It's very hot outside. Although it's already evening, 8 o'clock in the evening, but the humidity is crazy. I think it's 40 to 50 degree humidity, and I am thinking of trying this tonight while sleeping, because tomorrow, normally, guys, doing the water salt flush early morning, and yeah, but I'm not sure if I can do this tomorrow because I have an appointment with my dentist. So I think I'm going to try this tonight, and we'll see what's going to happen. According to my research, trying the water salt flush makes you lose weight of 3 to 5 kilograms, but sad to say, I didn't have a weighing scale here. I'm going to use this to measure my body stats because I didn't have the weighing scale. That's very bad. And yeah, let's get started. I'm going to do this tonight. According to my research, guys, from healthline.com, a saltwater flush is typically done first thing in the morning upon waking up. It may also be performed in the evening, a few hours after your last meal, since my last meal was 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, and it's already almost 10 o'clock in the evening. Well, then I'm going to do this tonight, and I wish it's not going to disturb my sleep. And this is the Himalayan salt. We're going to use the 1 tablespoon of Himalayan salt and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and we're going to dissolve it with the hot water and mix it until it dissolves, and add water in it. So this glass, guys, it is 4 cups of water. So yeah, that's it. Wow, this is the finished product of sea salt water flush, and the salt has already dissolved and it's ready to drink. You have to drink this within 5 minutes. And time check, it's already 10 o'clock in the evening and I'm ready to drink this. Wow, this is not really tasty, guys. Taste is like a sea water. You know, I think everybody know what is the sea water taste, so exactly the same. The taste is not a joke. I have 5 minutes to drink this. I think I can finish. The taste is very bad. I swear the taste is very bad. I want to drink water because guys, the taste is not a joke. It's very salty. I just feel like I want to vomit. No, please. After drinking that, I don't really feel good. I just feel like I want to vomit. And I'm reading the risk and warnings from healthline.com. Drinking salt water on an empty stomach may cause nausea and vomiting. That's what I feel exactly right now. Vomiting. A salt water flush may increase your risk of sodium overload. Sodium overload may lead to high blood pressure. And that's what exactly I felt right now. And my mouth, it's become watery. It feels like I want to vomit and I don't really feel good. Let's wait for the coming minutes or the coming hours. What's gonna be the result? And honestly, I am not happy trying this experiment. Yeah. Time check, guys. It's already 11:30 in the evening and I just drink lots of water. It's like 500 milliliter of water and it just feel like the urge of vomiting. It's feeling terrified and I don't feel any bowel movement. I just feel like I want to vomit, but just try to sleep a little and I'll give you the update what will happen next. Guys, time check, it's already 12:30 in the evening and I went to pee and it's crazy because it's together, it's flushing like crazy. I feel like all the toxic inside my belly, it's just flush like OMG. Guys, good morning. It's already morning and time check, it's already 6:30 in the morning. Time check, it's already 6:34 in the morning and I woke up. I went to the bathroom. I tried, but it was impossible. So I drank that saltwater flush at 10 o'clock in the evening, and it affects the 2.5 hours. I went to the washroom 12:30 in the morning and boom, it's crazy. And that was only once. So when I drank that salt water, I felt instant sick. And for me, I don't recommend this. But if you want to do experiment, you need to do more research. And yes, it cleans our colon, our belly, toxic. But if you can't handle the instant sickness, then you have to do some more research about it. The effect, guys, it's not always the same to everybody, because other people they lose like 5 to 6 kilograms, and maybe they flush a lot, and that's about water and toxic in your body. And for me, I don't think that I lost weight because of it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share, and leave your comment. And thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.